Let me assist you.
Yes, I like questions. I have a questions regarding my case.
Second. What's the cause number?
It's Kiana Clark.
Okay, let me assist you.
Yes, I keep on getting told different things that my child custody was taken away and then it wasn't. My child custody rights. So I
I
wanted,
mean, who told you? I don't know. You say you keep. Who told you that?
I'd like to know, by calling the court that was supposedly had taken my child custody rights away. Can I know if my child custody rights were taken away or if they weren't?
Yeah, we don't. We can't tell you that. Was an order signed by the judge or something?
There's a lot of criminal activity that I reported to the court going on, and my rights are being withheld from me. I wasn't even given an attorney. And
There was an order that was signed back in August the 2nd, 2019. You can get a copy of that order and read it and see what it says. But that's the only order that. That's the last order that was put into the case.
Right. So if my child custody rights were taken away, that they wouldn't require stipulations or anything?
What do you? I guess I'm not sure. You say if they were taken away, then what?
I mean, if the court don't want me to know what happened, what with my child custody rights, and what am I supposed to?
You can know that, but I'm saying if you didn't get a copy of that order that was signed on August the 2nd of 2019.
I was told that wasn't by multiple different parties, different things. First, I told that it was disposed of, then it changed, so I'm not getting accurate information. I was told that it was disposed, and then it went back to being a case.
So what you would have to do, you would actually have to read this, get a copy of this order that I'm looking at.
Okay, so here's the thing, ma'am. I do have a copy of the order. Why, if a protection order was signed, to where I needed supervised visits, why there were no stipulations, why I didn't get an advocate, why I didn't get an attorney, or any kind of
advocate? I can't answer that.
Isn't that criminal? Didn't they violate my rights?
I can't answer that. You would have to speak with an attorney on that.
Well,
I can't answer that, Ms. Clark.
Okay,
Did you not have an attorney?
No, they wouldn't give me an attorney. They forced me to represent myself. And then 2 times I came to court, they would not allow me to present my case at court when the other parties didn't show for court. And that was supposed to be, the case was supposed to be closed, and they didn't close it. They covered for the parent that didn't show twice. And told me I couldn't appear at my own court date 2 times.
Did you not have that motion hearing on March the 15th of 2022?
Yes, they told me that I did not do the what is it called? They said that I needed to have someone. What is it called when you have them? That I needed to have them served.
Okay, you didn't have that person served. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. But here's the thing: why did the court not give me any advocacy or any support and help in trying to get this?
That's a question for the judge. You should have asked the judge when you had that hearing on March the 15th. We can't answer that.
Okay, the judge really didn't answer. He told me to have them served.
I'm sorry.
So who do I make complaints? Because I believe crimes are being committed. Who do I make complaints to? Because he didn't give me an advocate. They are refusing to tell me what stipulations to have access to my daughter. They did not let me appear at court twice, made me represent myself, would not give me an attorney. They can't make up their mind if my court rights have been violated or not.
Let me transfer you to the law library and see if they can answer your question.
No. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, hold on. Thank you.
I'm still on hold. Yes, I have questions. If there's some criminal activity going through with a family case, how do I report that?
Call the police would be my suggestion.
Okay, well, I just called the court and I tried to report some corruption and criminal activity, and they haven't taken the reports for years. And they're actual crimes that are supposed to be investigated. Making false statements to a family court is criminal. And a CPS worker did it, and my rights have been violated with this case, I think, out of corruption.
Okay, well, I'm not an attorney, so that would would probably be a question you'd want to direct to an attorney.
Okay, because I've been calling around for years. My right to an attorney, I went to multiple legal aids and have been not, my abuse is very severe to where someone interrupts me getting advocacy and support. And a lot of crazy things have happened. So I don't have a right to an attorney at this point. So I don't know how to get programs. They told me to be, I don't have a lot of rights. So they transferred me over to you because they haven't been able to answer questions for me for years. So they were under the impression that the law library could assist in me reporting.
I make that assumption a lot, but no, the kinds of questions you're asking, we can't answer.
I didn't think that you could. The FBI should be able to answer them, but I can't get services from them either. Thank you.